Today, I am going to guide you through the steps to recover your Hostinger account. Losing access can be stressful, but Hostinger makes the recovery process simple and secure. By the end of this tutorial, you will know exactly what to do to get back into your account without confusion. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Hostinger website. You can type the Hostinger address directly or just search for Hostinger in your search engine. Once the homepage loads, you will see Hostinger's clean layout designed to help users manage their online projects easily. If you cannot sign in, do not worry. On the login page, look for the link that says "Can't access your account." This link is the starting point for the entire recovery process. Click it to continue. After clicking the link, you will arrive at a page where you need to select the option called Account Recovery. This step is important because Hostinger uses it to guide you through the secure process of verifying your identity. Once you choose Account Recovery, you will be taken to a page with clear instructions on what to do next. Here, look for the button that says Start Account Recovery. Click it to begin the verification process. Hostinger may ask for the email address connected to your account or other information to confirm that you are the rightful owner. Make sure the details you enter are correct so the recovery can be completed quickly and smoothly. It can help to have your registered email ready. If Hostinger needs to send a verification link, you can open it immediately and follow the instructions provided. This is usually enough to restore access to your account. The recovery page is designed to be simple and user-friendly, but if you run into any problems or feel unsure at any point, you can always reach out to Hostinger support. Their customer service team is available to answer questions and assist you step by step. They can also provide alternative recovery options if needed. To summarize everything, recovering your Hostinger account requires just a few easy steps. Go to the homepage, click on Can't access your account. Choose Account Recovery and then select Start Account Recovery. Follow the instructions, verify your details, and Hostinger will help you regain access with minimal hassle. Thank you for following this guide. I hope it helps you get back into your Hostinger account smoothly so you can continue working on your websites without interruption. If you need more tutorials or help with other Hostinger tools, feel free to check out more videos. I am here to support you as you build and grow your online presence.